Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is October 21st and the chart of the day is the Nikkei, the Japanese index 60 minutes time frame now. Now we are looking for further upside here. We continue to extend and this is still a new all-time high for the Nikkei. As long as it stays above 45,344 here, we should continue to see further upside here. Now let me zoom out to the 4-hour time frame and showing you the weekly here. This is weekly. As you can see, we are still in the new all-time high, so clearly it is bullish. There is no question about that. Okay, and dropping down to the 240 again, which is the 4-hour. All right, so if you take a look here, the 1 hour, so with 4, I'm gonna put it here with 4, right? And again going back to the daily time frame, so this low that we got in April, all right, so this is after Trump initiated tariff war against China, and then bottom here and then starts to rally again to new high. Since April we have not had any pullback at all. I mean, that cycle is still ongoing right now. Well, we should be ending it perhaps this quarter, right? Perhaps this quarter we could end it. If not this quarter, then early next year, right? Early next quarter, first quarter of 2026. That 5-way sub should be finished, and then we should be getting a bigger pullback. Now, so that means we are now within this wave 5 from April low, and from wave 4 here, we got this 1, 2, and then now making new high. So looking at the shorter cycle, a simple way to measure the target higher is simply just projecting this 1 and 2 here. So short-term target should be between 54.57 to 52.494 to finish this with 3 potentially, right? To finish with 3. I mean, it can go higher, it can go to 1.618 even, but overall this is sort of the minimum target we can expect here on the current short-term move up, 54.57, 52, 492. Okay, so again we are looking to complete that wave 5 from the April low. Now let me show you the general pattern of the 5-way symbols. So we got this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are this 4 in red here is the same as this 4 in black in here. I mean, the degree is different, but the structure is the same. So 1, 3, and 5 is what we call the impulse structure. So itself is subdivided into another 5 waves here, right? And similarly here, this wave 5 in black subdivides into another 5 waves in blue. So 1 in blue, 2 in blue, and then now looking for 3 in blue. So we are currently here. 3 in blue is the same as this one right now. Okay, so that's the update for today, guys. As always, if you want to get more regular updates on the Nikkei or any other indices, Forex, commodities, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. For new members, it's only 99 cents, and you can use the link in the description of the video. See you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.